Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to come on here and share with you a little project I worked on with my daughter. It's not paper crafting, but it is still crafting. We did go to Hobby Lobby and we picked up a few items. We're going to a football game and you know you have to have those clear bags. So this was our project. This is the project we worked on. This is from Hobby Lobby, the clear bag. And when you buy it, it comes with this little handle in here, at least this color. It comes with this handle. It's got some nice hardware. But my daughter gifted me this other handle, which is a thicker strap. And I put that on here and it's like perfect. So we also picked up the sticker, whatever this is called, the alphas in the personalized section. We did grab a bandana that would match our bag. So I picked the orange because it's the Cleveland Browns. Yay! And then when we got home, we did work on some beads to create a little purse dangle. So I created this. We picked up these beads from Hobby Lobby today. All the football beads. All the other beads were already in my stash. The alphas, the gold, and this heart is from Ebony, who's the Rosette Guru here on Instagram. That's her shop, but she is the Crafty Girl on YouTube. But I'll leave her links in the description below. So here I just used a bunch of my beads from my stash. My daughter had made her own. I don't have it here to show, but it's the same clear bag type, but hers is like a cream color and her bandana is a cream color also. And she has her initial. She put hers in the bottom corner. I put mine somewhat in the middle. But yeah, this is what I came up with for my purse charm. And I used some of the plastic clasp from my stash, attached it here. I'm waiting for the E6000 to dry and then I'll cut off these strings. I tied them to the giant jump ring that you see there. I also made some bracelets. So I made a pink football theme with the gold spacers. And I made a brown and orange theme. And it's got the little bling football. This is one of the items I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So are the footballs right here and here. There's a multi-pack with the AB finish, and then there's just the brown. And they're like in different directions. So you can see here the hole goes the length of the football. This one goes from top to bottom. So that was like a perfect little touch. And then here I just made a simple brown and orange bracelet. So I got this, and then I got this one. And we had some pink stretchy cord we picked up. I already put that away, but I've hauled it in a previous video. So that's one layer, and then this is the last layer. And that's what this is gonna look like when I go to the Browns game. So I love it, love it, love it. I got to use my beads and we worked on a project together, my daughter and I. She made her own bracelets. I made mine. And pull all your beads out and start crafting. But that is it, guys. I just really wanted to come and share with you what we've been working on. Non-crafting. We're not going to be going live this weekend because it's Labor Day weekend. So I might post a video here and there, but it's not going to be long videos. I'm going to be spending time with family and yeah, eating and drinking and having fun. So thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thumbs up this video, guys, if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. You guys, I'm at Hobby Lobby. Bead Design Co. is half off. Okay? But I'm not here to show you that. I'm here to show you flatbacks. Stitch, Barbie, strawberry, Care Bears. These are not on sale though. These are not Beadco. You got the princesses, you got Mickey Minnie, you got black and red Mickey Minnie, and you have 2 Hello Kitties. You guys, these are all flatbacks. They're pretty pricey and they're not on sale, but that is a first. I've never seen them before, and I've never seen this. These are all flatbacks. Look at these bows. So this is on sale. They're not beads, guys. These are the flatbacks. And then I've never seen these. I mean, they might be just new to me, but I've never seen them before. So FYI, that's what's out here. I'm here at Hobby Lobby. It is August 28th. So check it out.